Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking more about SHIB, and as we all know, Shiba Inu is growing at a steady pace, and that is something I'm super excited for. Now you can see Shiba Inu is actually coming in waves, so every time we get a bull run, we're having more and more holders. But not only that, also Leash and Bone are increasing. In fact, today we're going to be reaching 80,000 SHIB holders, which means over 80,000 people have used Shiba Swap, which for crypto is actually a pretty big deal. It's one of the biggest, most used decentralized exchanges, and with DeFi economy growing, we're going to be seeing a lot more in the future. Now we are waiting for 1 million holders, then 2 million holders, then 3 million holders. This means basically, in theory, the price will go 2x, will go 3x, will go 4x, as with the demand will increase as well. But for that, we're still a long way from that, and I'm really excited to talk about this because SHIB still has a lot of updates going on. And a lot of updates were promised, and we did show support a lot to Binance. I did show a lot of support to the Binance CEO, and in fact, what we gave to Binance, with how much volume we gave, now they're returning the favor. So good morning, SHIB Army. Beautiful news today. Thank you so much for dropping a like. SHIB x Binance US, and even politicians. What I'm trying to say, even, Senate members are buying in SHIB, and that's simply crazy to me. But Binance US, so SHIB to be open for trade Wednesday, available now for deposit, support Binance, and like that is simply crazy. Seems like Coinbase has actually triggered a massive buy-in event, and I thought SHIB was already on Binance, and Binance US is actually different, only available to US members. And that is really, really awesome from what we are seeing so far, as Coinbase broke basically everything. Like, this is really, really awesome from what we can see so far. They listed SHIB. Binance US will list Shiba Inu token. And once again, another victory as Coinbase listing is, happening. Robinhood is around the corner with the rumors being possibly, out there that Robinhood already bought the supply. As you can see, big purchases. And I do think this could potentially be from Robinhood or someone else from what I'm seeing so far. Even if it's not from Robinhood, which they don't supply the coins, it could be from someone else. So Ethereum will just bought 2.5 million USD, and from that being said, let's hope they hold it. Not a chance. They trade on tiny price actions to make a killing. A few numbers move and they make tens to hundreds of thousands compared to a couple of dollars. No millionaire is making SHIB a long-term hold. They're using it to multiply their cash flow. This will hurt the coin, and a lot of people are just saying this will hurt the coin. I think big volumes are actually a pretty strong indicator of these coins growing. So he sold 2.5 million Ethereum and bought Shiba. I don't believe this. No one is this dumb. So basically they actually did. They actually sold 2.5 million Ethereum and bought 2.5 million SHIB. And that's exactly what these big whales are doing. They're buying in at massive supplies, and they're buying in millions. And for a simple reason, they probably know more than we do. They probably know how to do these trades. But yesterday, we saw that, Shiba Inu is going to have a minus 40% decrease. But Shiba Inu holds key support, signaling SHIB run to these prices. And these predictions are basically gonna be different every single day from what I can see so far. Sometimes they are basically on the charts, but the charts are changing due to Ethereum and Bitcoin's growth. So that being said, Hobby is also giving Shiba Inu rewards, which once again more holders are being rewarded. So SHIB airdrops are on the way. Invite friends to share our prize of the pool, and you can see here amount 130,000 SHIB. Or actually 1.3 million, and invite one friend to get 1.3 million, which is simply exciting to see here so far, if I did the math correctly here. But that is really, really awesome. 11 bucks for inviting someone. But Elon Musk is not predictable, so to tweet about Shiba, he has a Shiba Inu dog. One day he will tweet and it will take off. Just buy and hold. So he will definitely be tweeting more about Shiba Inu, which is super exciting because we needed influencers for some time now. Shiba Inu needed influencers for a long time, and it's finally happening. He has a puppy. He has not said anything about Shiba Inu, and he will because he's the Doge father of Shiba Inu dog. Yet he tweets about SHIB, and it's raising the prices. A lot of people don't realize that we do actually need Elon Musk. A lot of people are saying we don't need Elon Musk. Some of you really got dropped as babies, but that's not true. The factor is Elon Musk is a huge factor and the sole reason of why SHIB grew. And if we expanded, our thinking a little, if we thought about how Elon Musk actually made this coin big by announcing it on the show that he's buying a Shiba Inu, and that basically boosted the coin, then you might realize, even if he did it by accident, this is a big reason why Shiba Inu is where it is today with 216,000 holders. And with more influencers on the board, the price will increase more and the more you will profit. But Huobi Official brought a deal to our table, guys, and European users exclusive. Invite friends to Huobi, gain a share of 1.3 billion. Now that's really exciting. Huobi coming in. It's only of those outside of the United States, but still something awesome. People sharing their own things, for example, influencers are in fact coming in. So SHIB Army generally considering accepting SHIB as a payment for upcoming shows over the next year. Would you use SHIB tokens into the nightclubs and festivals, especially the ones that will be one on the moon? And this is really exciting to see, influencers coming in saying, I'm only going to be accepting in SHIB. Imagine if this is going to be the next people's coin. If all influencers only accepted in SHIB, especially those big Hollywood deals with their millions, if they got paid millions in SHIB, it would be simply exciting. But Africa's crypto market has grown by more than 1,200% since 2020. And it seems like, with every single market growing at a fast rate. So, for example, P2P platforms that need remittances to circumvent restriction for banks and putting savings into crypto as a means of avoiding inflation would have contributed to growing market in Africa. In Africa, we could be seeing a SHIB country. Never forget that. Never say never. We could definitely be seeing something like that. But digital analytics firm Chain Analysis reported that cryptocurrency market in Africa has grown significantly since last time, in addition to the region having a larger share of overall retail transaction volume compared to the global average. And also, El Salvador is now ready, and this forced a lot of countries to reconsider listing, Bitcoin as legal tender. They might do it. A lot of corrupt countries are giving their statements, but El Salvador actually made the huge move, an official legal tender for the first time in history. This is actually pretty big. El Salvador's Bitcoin wallet is 95% fixed, President Bukele says. El Salvador State Bitcoin wallet has continued facing major issues 1 week after its official rollout, and now all of that is fixed, and launching everything in 3 months was too much of a challenge and we made mistakes, but we are already fixing them, and hundreds of thousands of Salvadorans can already use Shiba with no issues. So that is really exciting to see it. It's only a matter of time, maybe 5 to 10 years. If you can see Bitcoin legal tender in 2021. In 2025, if you're realistic about this, you're going to see a lot more cryptos, a lot more expanding, because, this is basically going to be a snowball effect where all of these cryptos are going to be growing at a very fast rate. But all of these cryptos are in fact growing. Algorand is price hitting new highs, but we're still waiting for Shiba Inu to grow. Now, Colombia uses gamification to teach youth about crypto stock trading, and imagine Colombia teaching people how to use crypto means a lot of people will be buying and knowing how to buy SHIB. But Colombia is investing over $30,000 to develop a gamified app that simulates crypto and stock trading for young learners. So you gotta tell the young ones how to actually trade in stocks, and that's something I'm super excited for. The user enters at once to invest and competes against 2 more players and has to interpret the movements of the stock market as to buy and sell at the right moment and earn money. He could buy stocks, etc., etc. And we're already teaching everyone how to buy cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace everyone.